Hi everybody, welcome back to another reading. I will be doing other signs quicker because there is no time and month is ending, and I wanted to do reading one by one, but I'm going to club two, three signs together and do a reading one after the other. So without wasting much time, let's move on to Virgo. What are the guidances for Virgo? As you all know, if you're new to my channel, I'm a psychic tarot reader, and I get guided by my spirit guides, archangels, and by my ascended masters. I'm using the Moonology cards for Virgo. Let's see, Virgo, what are the messages for you in December? Virgo, the first thing that I get for you is color green is going to be good for you. Towards the end of December, especially dark green. That's what I get. I also get you will not be making any adjustments. You're becoming stubborn about something. I don't know why I want to say this, Virgo, but you're not moving at all on an issue, though you have your viewpoint and you are listening to other people. But in the end, you want to do what you want to do, and I don't think you will be making any adjustments, though adjustments are required. You're pretty much stubborn about it. You know what way to go. You're not going to listen to anybody. It's like almost getting a very taurian feeling. I don't know if you're dealing with a taurian or you've got some kind of a taurian in your charts, sun, moon, rising, or whatever, but I feel a lot of taurian energy in Virgo, and kind of being stubborn about something. You're not moving an inch about the whole issue. It's like what you've said is right. You're not listening to anybody, and pretty stubborn about it. I don't know why it is. Totally closed minded in December, and you're not going to listen to anybody. It's like my way or the highway. You're not going to listen to any advice, even though if you need advice, that's another message that I get. You're also worrying about your loved ones. I don't know if it's your parents, your kids, your husband, your wife, your friends, somebody you dealing with. You are going to worry about the person quite a lot in December. I feel the person is not well, or you just kind of feeling. You feeling that the person is alone, not with you, and you worrying about someone, not feeling that the other one is safe wherever they are. They're not in a safe place. So something to do with safe, I'm getting again and again. I don't know if it's a Cancerian you're worrying about, but I think you're very emotionally connected to the person I'm talking about. There are a lot of emotional connections, and probably you're too far away. You cannot reach out for help. That's how you're going to feel in December end. You wanted to be closer to them. It's time to release negativity. I think if you've been closed, if you're blocking something, you got to release it. I think you've been stubborn about something. I'm getting the same words again and again. I think you've got to release some kind of a negativity that's sitting in your mind, and you're not opening yourself to different views. I think it is important here. Sometimes it's okay to hold your ground, not to listen to other people, like I say, or do what your intuition is saying. That's very different from not listening to other people and just doing what you think is right, and maybe people are right and they are telling you the right thing. I don't know if you're dealing with the Scorpio or not, but I think this issue has been happening since October. You've become very close minded, and you need to open up two things: release negativity, take positivity inside, and in your head somewhere you've thought that this situation is not going to improve. I don't know why I get that, but I really feel the situation will improve. You don't have to worry about it. That's another message that I get. You've been working very hard from May towards something, a lot of to and fro about information, but that matter is still not resolving. I don't know, Virgo, again and again, it's the same thing coming to me. There is some issue that needs to be resolved. Either you've gotten very closed about it, or you are not listening to the other person. There is some issue you're not dealing with. You're not open about it. Either you've been hurt, or either you felt that you were backstabbed in an issue, and now you totally cut off the other person, not wanting to know their viewpoint. I would want you to really understand what they are trying to tell you, or whatever it is. There is a past life relationship that you cut off. You were really connected to this person, like I get really feel you felt very close. You were going around for a long time. It could be a marriage or something. There's something that's broken. It feels broken right now, some kind of a hurt. I'm getting hurt with Virgo quite a lot, and you really thought this relationship will work, but there is something that's not working in the relationship, or did not work in the relationship, though you really felt connected with the person. That's another message that I get. Remember, guys, these are all general guidances, not specially. It's not special that probably all the messages will resonate. A few messages might resonate, so I will say take what resonates with you. Otherwise, use it as guidances, or you'll know what message is for you in your situation, because you know your situation the best. So let's see what are the other messages for you guys. Virgo, how's December end going to be? December end, you're going to get a lot of money. You're going to make money, and that money is going to sit pretty in your banks. Okay, you're going to put a lot of money together. You're going to put it in a. I think you're going to buy funds or put it in like a fund for 5 years, 4 years, and forget about it. So money can grow. I think you are going to put money in places where it's going to grow, like getting interest or something on it, and the money is going to grow, multiply by x amount. And I get 4 years, I also get, I don't know how many, probably different places, 4 different places you're going to put your fund, and your money will grow. And December is a time when you will get more money minded in a positive sense, where you will know that money is important, and you will want to put some money away for yourself. And that's how you feel secure when there's money in your bank. And especially around December, you don't want to really ask for money from other people. I don't know if you've been asking money from your friends, from your family, and that's really made you very insecure. Maybe that's another message that I get. And December, and you're going to put money, you're not going to spend money much, because you know how important money is for you and how much you had to struggle in the months that have gone by. That's another message that I get. Let's see what are the other messages for you. I also got, I don't know why, but I got the words, it's a crazy world out there. I don't know if you've been feeling like that, not wanting to go out, but suddenly realizing it's crazy out there, and you want to be at home. That's what I feel. You were financially stressed. Those are the two words that I get while I'm channeling. So financially stressed, you've been financially very stressed, put under a lot of pressure. Probably you had to take money as a loan from other people, and that's what taught you the value of money. You never valued money so much, Virgo, in your life, but suddenly you know that money is so important for you, and you don't want to let go of it. That's another message that I get. I just took out Archangel Gabriel cards, and I thought, Virgo, let's see what are the other messages for you. Money is important and green is important. A lot of dark green is coming to me while I'm talking to you. Do you like dark green? Have you just got plants in your home? Or I get a lot of velvet, dark green, that kind of material also in dark green. Probably you've just put up your Christmas tree while I speak. And there is one, sorry, I have to pick it up. It says time management. Manage your time well in December. Okay. Delegate. I get delegation. You're not delegating your work. You need to delegate your work in December, and you want to distribute your work. So work is you have to get work done on time. And I feel you have to involve more people in the whole thing. I think it's a project, and more people need to help you, or more people need to come together to finish the work on a particular deadline, or if there's a timeline for you. That's another message that I get. One more card from here. Don't get fooled by someone. I don't know. I wanted to pick this card, pick one card up from this deck lying here. It was almost like calling me out. So it's like in the coming 7 days, don't get fooled by somebody's words. Either in a relationship or financially, if somebody is giving you an offer, so that person is going to fool you. The person is trying to be over smart, and I think you will feel it. I don't know if it's in a relationship, somebody just trying to fool you to get into a relationship, or making you give your money to them to put somewhere. So just be careful. Don't want you to lose money. That's what I got. That's why I wanted to pick up that card. There's a time, Virgos, that you will feel you want to just slow down towards the end of December. I know it's like it's an off time, it's a holiday time, but there is a situation you when you'll start slowing down yourself. Probably you've been working too much, or your body will give up, and you probably need that sleep for a day or something. You've been working overtime, not sleeping more than 5 6 hours, so your body is going to slow you down. In fact, it's going to push you back, because you've been pushing your body quite a lot to perform, to be awake at a lot of odd hours and work, and not take care of yourself, not eating properly, not drinking properly. Virgo, that's another thing I get. Virgo, if you were looking for a new project, I feel January is the time that you're going to get something, not right now. So I feel Jan end came into my mind, but I also get after 14th Jan, okay? Not in December. If you're looking to start a new project, I would want you to wait and start in December. That's another message that I get. Oh, let's see what the romance angels are saying. I'm going to take one romance angel cards out. calling in your soulmate. So I told you there was a soulmate situation, but something happened. Maybe it's a reconciliation. The soulmate is coming back. If it's a new person coming in, it's almost feels like a very soulmate energy person you will be connected to, person you really love. You've been doing affirmations for this person. If the person did go away, or you two were on a break, you didn't understand each other, or you needed a break from something, I think you're going to get back together, and universe will bring you back together. And I think you have been doing your affirmations, Virgo, to get the person back into your life, and the person will come back into your life. That's what I feel. I feel like a very soulmate energy. I feel you being together in December, and it almost will feel like a new relationship. I don't know what it means to you, because everybody's situation is different. Like I'm talking right now because a lot of people will be listening and responding to this. I want you to express your love. I think in the previous relationship, either you or the person you were dealing with didn't really express too much to the other person, and there was an imbalance. Maybe it's the same person, same guy or girl. So you or him, you've learned how to express. You've learned that was the that was needed in the relationship. You did not talk much, you did not express yourself much, so the other person didn't really understand if you really love the person or not. And the person needed validation on those points, that tell me that you love me. I understand that you do, but there are times you need to express yourself. So maybe you've learned that. Maybe it feels like a new relationship because now you understand each other better. I don't know, will you guys talk and then try to make each other understand the other person's viewpoint? That's another message that I get for you guys. I want to give you one more message from the Monology cards, and then I'll close the Virgo reading. Virgo, hold your vision. I told you there is somewhere you're going to slow down in December. There's something that you're going to lose sight of. It's not focusing, and I feel you started something and you just taking a back seat. You started something, you're taking a back seat. In the beginning, you're at very good momentum, but what happens? You just break the momentum somewhere in between. So I want you to be more focused in December end, because Jan there's going to be a lot of work for you again, and you will take time going back in the same momentum, because you will have a nice relaxed time in December end, and getting back to the same grinding and same routine will take time to go back. So I want you to be prepared for January. I don't know what it means to you in your situation, but I want you not to just keep work aside totally. It is holiday time, but keep working on something that you need to put your hard work or attention or something. And so moment January comes in, January 2021 comes in, you're totally ready for the project, and there is no lag in it, and there is no that suddenly a lot of work and you do not know how to handle it, and you are still in that lazy mode, holiday mode. So that's what I feel. So thank you so much, Virgo. These were your messages. Hope all things will work out great for you in December end, and I'll be back with another reading. And please do enjoy your reading, and do hit the like button, and do leave a comment below. I always react to the comments, and do subscribe to my channel. So remember to hit the bell icon button, so whenever I upload a video, you will know when I've uploaded a video. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed your reading. Bye.